This is the visual abstract of the article about the very high cycle fatigue of notched specimens written by Paolo Zuliani, Carlo Borgeniut, Davide Salvatore Paolino, and Andrea Tridello of Politecnico of Turin, and Filippo Berto of University La Sapienza. The article is focused on a review of the present articles in the literature about the notch effect in the very high cycle fatigue, and it is based on the analysis of the different type of tests used by different authors, the different definitions of the stress concentration factors, the different failure mechanism in notched specimens with respect to unnotched specimens in the very high cycle fatigue, the different notch sensitivity, and finally a review of the present methods for the fatigue life estimation have been conducted. Regarding the stress concentration factor, there are three approaches. The first is the static approach. The second is the approach defined by Dantas, based on the average stress in the critical section. And finally, there is the approach of Paolino, based on the minimum stress in the critical section. The failure mechanism is in many cases different in notched specimens with respect to unnotched specimens because it changes from internal crack initiation to surface crack initiation. This also affects in some cases the notch sensitivity because the notch fatigue factor is not always constant in the very high cycle fatigue. Finally, the fatigue life estimation of notched specimens could be conducted with four approaches. The first is based on the international standards, the second on the notch fatigue factor, the third is the stress gradient method introduced by Shen, and the fourth is the modified theory of critical distance introduced by Gao. So this is the end of the visual abstract. Thank you for the attention.